Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is the Heartbeat Bath Bomb from their Valentine's Day collection. It's very cute with some gold hearts that have mica dusted on them. And it smells really good. So it says it has lemon and rose scent, and it's supposed to smell like rose jam, which I am familiar with, and it did smell like that. It smelled pretty good. This bath bomb is 7 ounces, and the price is $8.45. And unless you read the description, it has a little hidden element to it. So as you notice, it starts out, pretty active, but later in the footage, you could see it almost like exploding, for lack of a better word. It has a scoop of popping candy inside, and I was not expecting that, and it was really, really cool. And it's pretty loud too. You can hear it popping and crackling and for a long, long time. I have uploaded the rest of the Valentine's Day collection. I think I might have one more, but the other demos are up in case you're interested. I think I'm going to start doing the Lush demos for seasonal items. I did the whole entire Christmas line, and that was a lot of fun, and it seems like people like that. So I'll stick with the holiday ones for now. But let me know if you have any special requests for bath bombs you want to see. And in this part of the footage, you could see it's moving a lot quicker, and that's kind of when those popping candies were coming out. And it was very loud, popping and snapping and cracking, and it just sounded really cool. I think I did have a bath bomb before that had those in there, but it wasn't as loud and didn't last as long as this one. But it's a pretty cool little element to add in there. You kind of see what it looks like. They're all inside there, exploding from the bath bomb. And the hearts eventually did to break off and just kind of sink to the bottom of the tub, and some of the candy was on the bottom of the tub as well. And it did last a pretty long time. Eventually, you could tell when the popping candy was done because it wasn't moving too much. And when I picked it out of the tub, it was just like a solid chunk of the bath bomb. And the water was a orangish pink color. Very pretty. And that is the demo I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do all sorts of bath bomb demos on my channel. Usually they have items hidden inside, whether it's money or jewelry. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, please make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.